the fruit farm.
What are you going to do with it?
Cook it.
How are you going to cook it?
In the microwave, boil it, or oven it.
Oven it? What do you do first?
We cut the long bits that look like arms off.
Now what happens?
You put them in the microwave.
How long do you put them in for?
For 2.5 to 2 minutes. If it's 700 watts, it's 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes each side.
How do you like your sweet corn served?
I like it served as crazy corn.
I like it
Mummy's Mexican
salty.
way.
Crazy corn, what's that?
To make crazy corn, you smother it in mayo, then you put occasional spices on and also
Occasional, not occasional.
occasion spices. And then you smother it with cheese.
Now my way sounds boring.
What's your way as well?
Butter and salt, that's it.
I love butter and salt, to be fair. This is garlic butter, it's really tasty. Flip it over. Another 2.5 minutes. Voila! When you've cut it, the end off, squeeze the end. I recommend using sweet corn hands. Sweet corn hands! Now for the boiling method. If you want, you can put some salt in the pan with the hot water. You pick them up with the tongs
And
place it in. Don't do it. Don't drop it because the hot water will bounce back onto you and it will really hurt.
You would never touch this.
How long do you boil it for?
5 minutes!
What are we doing now, Isabel?
We're wrapping up the sweet corn in tin foil and then we're going to place it in the oven. First we need to cut off the end. Then we need to
You can squeeze it off.
Try and squeeze them earlier. It will be hot.
Leave it there for 40 to 42 minutes. Get your sweet corn from our farm shop. Occasional